Imagine you're stuck in the middle of a 6-lane highway. Your battery just died and your gear shifter is locked in park. Traffic is piling up, horns are blaring, and road rage is bubbling over. Most drivers would panic and call an expensive tow truck. But you just need to find a tiny plastic cover hidden in simple sight. Today, we're revealing 7 hidden car features that 9 out of 10 drivers have zero clue even exist. From life-saving emergency overrides to secret buttons that prevent a $3,000 engine failure. By the end of this video, you'll look at your dashboard like a NASA control room. Wait, before we dive in, look at your subscribe button. If it's still red, you're missing out on weekly hacks that save your wallet. Hit it now, and let's get into the emergency category first. 7. The shift lock override. Back to that nightmare on the highway. Look right next to your gear shifter. See that tiny, nondescript plastic square? That's not for decoration. Pop it off with your car key, press the button underneath, and boom, your transmission is free. You can shift into neutral and push your car to safety without a single volt of battery power. It's a purely mechanical lifeline that literally saves lives. 6. The glow-in-the-dark trunk escape. It sounds like a movie plot, but being trapped in a trunk happens. Since 2002, U.S. law mandated a secret handle inside every trunk. It's usually bright yellow or neon green and glows for up to 8 hours. One pull, and you're out. Most owners never even check if theirs works. Go check yours today. It's a 2-second safety audit that could be the difference between life and death. 5. The hidden mechanical key. Your fancy key fob just died. You're pressing the unlock button like crazy, but nothing happens. Most people don't realize there's a physical key tucked inside that sleek plastic fob. Slide the latch, pull it out, and look at your door handle. Don't see a keyhole? It's often hidden behind a plastic cap that you can pop off. 4. The fuel cap holder. Every time you let your gas cap dangle against your car's side, you're risking scratched paint and, worse, inviting dirt into your fuel system. Look at the inside of your fuel door. There's a hook or a cradle specifically designed to hold that cap. Using it prevents clogged injectors, a repair that can easily top $3,000. 3. AC recirculation, the filter saver. See that button with the car and a circular arrow? It's not just for cooling down faster. It acts as a shield against outside pollution and exhaust. Using it can boost your AC efficiency by 20% and make your cabin air filter last twice as long. That's one less service visit you have to pay for this year. Secret number 2, the sun visor extension. Driving into a sunset and the glare is hitting you from the side? Most sun visors actually slide along their metal rod or have a pull-out plastic panel. It covers that annoying gap that regular visors miss. Secret number 1, the dashboard fuel arrow. Renting a car and don't know which side the tank is on? Don't get out. Look at the fuel icon on your dash. That tiny arrow next to the pump symbol is the industry's secret GPS for your gas tank. But there is one button on your steering wheel that most people think is a safety feature, but it's actually a nagging device that you can disable permanently. We'll get to that in 60 seconds. Secret number 0, speed-sensitive volume, SVC. If your music gets louder as you hit the highway, that's SVC. It uses a cabin mic to counter road noise. If you hate it, check your sound settings to turn it off, or crank it up so you never have to touch the volume knob again. Secret number 1, automatic walkaway locks, the ultimate peace of mind. Many modern cars have a proximity setting hidden in the vehicle settings menu. Enable it, and the moment your key fob leaves a 5-foot radius, the car locks itself and chirps. No more walking back to the parking lot to check if you lock the door. How many of these did you actually know? If you knew more than 10, you're officially a car pro. Drop a comment below with the one that shocked you the most. I'm replying to the best ones. And if this video just saved you a trip to the mechanic, hit that subscribe button. Your wallet will thank you later. See you in the next one.